We are at Redington Shores today. Hopefully you can hear me. There's lots of traffic behind me. You can probably see that in the reflection of my sunglasses. We are here for a beach day. It's like 80 degrees. I think it's like one of the first 80-degree days we've had. So parking was crazy. We waited way too long to try to leave for the beach. On days like today, you should really try to get to the beach by like 9 a.m. probably to get a spot. And we didn't leave our house till like 11. So we've been driving around for almost 90 minutes to try to find a spot. We know some of the like hidden like unknown spots in the beach is close to us. So we could have found one there really, really easily no matter what, I think. But we had tried to go to one further away. So anyways, that's kind of a long story. But now we're here in Redington. Mitchell is across the street grabbing some drinks. We have our cooler loaded and ready to go. So yeah, I'll take you there. So for parking, this is the paid lot and it's huge. There were no spots here. I know you can't see it very well, but even though there were no spots, at least the backup of cars wasn't bad. Like a lot of the other ones we went into, the cars would be like lined through the aisles, like way backed up, and that, I don't love that. So this is the main road here. We are actually parked on the street. Here, let me pan over here 1 second. So this is the street. We got really, really lucky and someone was leaving and we were kind of like following him a little bit to grab his spot, and he told us to follow him because he had gotten a free spot on the road. As you can tell, it's a pretty busy road, and he actually just like literally waited for us to get there. So very, very kind person. So this is the gas station that Mitchell is at, grabbing some beverages for us, and we're gonna enjoy the best beach day. Here is our stuff ready to go. I'll show you while we're waiting a little bit about what our beach setup looks like. We have it down. It takes us like 30 seconds. We literally, this stuff is always in our car. We never take it out. So 2 chairs, they're Tommy Bahama chairs, an umbrella, I believe, oh, that's a Nautica brand. That beach bag my friends got me before we even moved to the beach. It's been my beach bag for over 8 years now, and it's my favorite. I love it. And our wagon. I'll link to all of this stuff in the description. It's amazing. I think I forgot the towel though in the car, so it's a good thing I showed you guys, otherwise I would have forgotten our towels. We leave towels in our car at all times as well. We only had 1 towel this time, so we'll be sharing a towel, but that's okay. We are ready to roll once Mitch gets out of the store.
And I filled up the cups of ice.
That's so smart.
We only had glass bottles, so I got
oh, perfect.
ice for the cups.
Right. I wanted to show you guys a couple of these restaurants. Right here is Beach Pizza. There's actually, it looks like there's a few other stores in here. We've had Beach Pizza before. It's really good. We haven't been to this location though. And then right across here, literally right here, is Friendly's Tavern and Restaurant. It looks pretty busy today, so it must be good. We've never been there. And then down the street from that is Candy Kitchen. So you can get all your sweet tooth needs there. There's a few candy kitchens in the area. They're pretty good and unique and fun. So, all right, well, we are headed to the beach now. This is where pulling the wagon does get a little bit difficult, but he never complains and he always does it with grace. And holy moly, it is so busy today. Maybe this is normal. We don't come to Redington super often. The beach that we typically go to is not ever busy, really. So this could be normal. But I do think it is busy because, like I said, it's like the first day that we've had 80 degrees in a while. And it's a Saturday. Like, who wouldn't want to be here? Who wouldn't want to be at the beach? What else are you doing? Sitting in your house? No. Everyone wants to be outside. So, Can you see how busy it is down here? All you see are these bright colors from umbrellas. Yes. He always finds the best spots too. So it's easy for me to come to the beach. He does everything. Here, let me zoom in for you quick. See, you can see all the way down there. All you can see is just like bright umbrellas. Beautiful day. This is where we set up our umbrella and chairs, and then we walked down to the pier. It was the perfect distance for a walk, and it didn't take very long before we saw some dolphins. Literally, I think we were walking less than 5 minutes when Mitchell saw them. So I will show you those shots here, and then I will take you with us on a walk to the pier.
Oh my God, a dolphin!
Oh!
Oh my God!
Where?
Right there, like straight out. Like that.
Oh, yeah!
The other ones should be close.
They were following that boat, weren't they? Oh my gosh, he's close. Yes, that never gets old. Good eye, babe. Oh, did you see him? Oh!
That's awesome.
That's the closest we've been to one in a minute, isn't it? Wow.
Sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world. Follow me away, 'cause we can't stay here. Let yourself go, you got nothing to fear. You'll never be alone, let the highway be your home, 'cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world.
ocean's warm? Do you like it better when you see the sun? Do you like it better when the sky is blue? I know I do. In a summer state of mind, we be wasted all the time. In a summer state of mind, in a summer state of mind. Oh, 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 I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon, I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm not into drinking, that's just wasting time. I'd rather be spending it on working out. Some say I'm too uptight, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon, I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream. Not giving up. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream.
If I am being completely honest, I honestly didn't even think about the fact that you might want to listen to the sounds of the waves and just the normal beach day sounds of the birds, the people, all of it. So I apologize because we were talking the whole time we were walking, and you don't want to listen to that probably. So I put music over the top of it, and if you would like a good beach walk with the sounds of the ocean and the people and the birds and everything else, please let me know and I will be happily go on that walk again for you. I hope that you did enjoy this beach walk, and if you liked it, I can do many more. We have a lot of different beaches in the area.